kindergarten friends, it's Miss B from Miss B Teaches. Today we're going to talk about how to sanitize our hands safely at school. So, what you're going to need is the hand sanitizer, and you only need one pump. So you put it right into your hand, one big pump. Then you take your other hand on top and you're going to rub them together like this for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then flip your hand over and you're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trade hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to take your knuckles and put them in your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our thumbs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fingertips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you just gently rub your hands till they're fully dry. And when they're dry, then you are all sanitized and clean and ready to go about your day without spreading germs to any of our friends. I hope you guys have a great, safe day. Bye for now.